All right, so I'm gonna show you how I put them on. The valve springs. See, I use like I said, that Texas Speed tool on the Gen 5. Got a ratchet. All right, and this is I use this as gives me a lot more torque. Take it off my floor jack. All right, so basically I eyeball it to make sure when I press down I'm even, so I can adjust. I'll push on the valve spring to adjust where I want it. And once I eyeball it, kind of got it right there. Grabs. Sometimes doing it on the on the floor, this thing comes back. But hold on, I'm trying to do it so you guys can see. All right. One, there's the other one. Sorry, move the camera. I slide that around. Put the other one. I wear safety glasses just in case when these things let loose, or I let loose. All right. Done. Okay. And the tool comes out easy. All right. 4 done. 4 left. So that's pretty much it.